Hey guys, oh, I just woke up. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be trying out the turmeric and honey mask. I've seen a lot of people saying it works. Many people were saying it works within 7 days, but I think I'm gonna try it out for 2 weeks and see how it goes. Because I feel like 7 days is a bit too little for your skin to change actually. So I'm gonna try it out for 2 weeks. No, I've actually been trying it out for the first week, and I'm gonna show you guys a bit of footage of the progress. There's not much progress, honestly, but I feel like my skin is now getting smooth. I don't see much of a difference with my acne scars or anything, but I feel like my skin is getting smooth. So for this mask, you only need honey and turmeric powder. So you must make sure you use 100% pure honey, and you must make sure you use unprocessed turmeric. Yeah, it's also 100% unprocessed turmeric or something like that. Yeah, so those are the main ingredients that you must use. Some people were adding milk or lemon, but I feel like lemon is a bit harsh on my skin, so I'm only going to use those two ingredients. Maybe milk when I mix another mixture. So this is how my mixture looks like after. I just put a tablespoon of turmeric powder and a tablespoon of honey, mix it up, and then you apply it on your skin. Hopefully this works, because you guys can see that my acne scars are really bad. Like, I have a lot of dark spots, so hopefully it does work. Crossing finger. You can use a brush, a clean brush, but I'm gonna be using a plastic because I don't have a clean brush. Also, turmeric can really stain you, so that's why I'm using a plastic. I can't be using my hands. It's gonna stain your nails, your hands, so yeah. So this is my mixture. I'm just gonna apply it on my face. It's a bit thick. You can mix it however you want it. If you want it to be a bit runny, it's your choice, honestly. So you can keep this mask for like 20-30 minutes, but if I'm at home, I can keep it for hours, honestly. And I haven't seen any side effects, so yeah. People recommend 20 to 30 minutes. I'll keep it on for a few hours and then I'll wash it off. So this is officially like the first week. And I'm having breakouts. Oh my gosh, look at that. But anyway, this is how the mask looks like. Thumbnail. If you're here for the first time, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channels, and please do click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, so today we're on day 9. Yeah, day 9, and this is how my face currently looks like. I have noticed that, let me go in the sun, maybe you guys will see properly. I have noticed that I'm having a few breakouts, and I think it's because of the mask, but it's kind of uprooting the dirt, if that makes sense. Like, it's taking out the dirt from the inside. That's what I think. And also the pimples are going away quickly. So please do wear your sunscreen if you're going to be exposed to the sun, because it's just going to reverse the cycle. So we're on day 9, and this is how we're looking. I'm not sure if you guys can see a difference, honestly, but I don't as yet, so we'll see. But the glow the glow is definitely there. But yeah. again. So we have finally reached the last day. Actually, the last day was yesterday, and I was just too tired to record. But anyway, this is how my skin looks after the 14 days. This is how the skin looks. Honestly, giving an honest reveal, I really feel like this thing works, but you just need patience. What I've noticed is that my skin is now soft. The dark spots are slowly getting lighter. If you can see this part used to be like so dark, especially this part. It used to be very dark. I'm gonna insert before and after pictures, obviously, but please do comment down below if you've used this mask and how long it took to work for you guys. For me, I'm really happy with the results. I'm obviously going to continue using it and maybe give you guys another review after a month or so, but so far I love it. My skin feels amazing. There's a video I took yesterday. You guys should just see how my skin looks so beautiful on natural lighting. I'm also using natural lighting now, but it's a bit dark because it's cloudy outside, but nonetheless it looked perfect. If you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for being at day one. And if you're actually new on this channel, please do subscribe. I hope you have a good time, and do comment, do like, share, show everyone the video, guys. You can help someone. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.